Namaskar, this is Dr. Ravi. Today I will show some yogic techniques, yogic asanas, which will help to treat even bronchial asthma. That the physiology of this asana is we are bending our spine back, thereby giving more space for the thoracic cavity, and it will dilate the bronchs, trachea, and throat. Usually, bronchial asthma means the bronchs they will constrict, so the insufficiency of the oxygen, people feel this insufficiency, thereby feeling discomfort, and it may lead to lethality. So exercises are passive, that means we use pillows or yoga blocks, because 5-10 minutes each asana you should do it, then you will feel the effect. Okay, if you do daily, they are very effective. So the first and most important asana is Matsyasana. Matsyasana is a fish pose. For us, we need effect only here, so we will do simple one with stretch your legs out. So I break I put a brick here, or you can put a bolster, that round cylinder shape pillow. My shoulder blades should lie on this brick when I lie. So this edge of the brick and this, the upper edges of the shoulder blades, you can touch here bones, they should be here. Now I'm checking my bones and the brick. So I am extending my neck. If you feel that neck here it's compressing, you can put a pillow, additional pillow here under the head. Okay. So then I'm stretching my hands. I'm stretching my legs, and always stretch them. This asana keep for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, in the beginning you can feel discomfort, at least for 2 minutes. When you Now I'm coming back to the starting position. I bend my legs, hands along the body, and supporting on my hands, I slowly sit. So this asana, Matsyasana, it's very excellent thing to open the main bronch and the sub bronchs and trachea also. So of course we should have to make 15 minutes daily like that in one asana. Then it will be after 3-4 months you will feel the difference in breathing. Okay. And the second one, it's Simha Garjana asana. This asana, it will remove the sensibility in the mucous membrane of the throat. Asana, I do like this. Here the upper chest, we should not squeeze it, we should open. I'm opening it, and this is the starting position. And here I inhale, and with slow deep exhalation I pull my tongue out from the throat, tongue as if tip of the tongue. From here you should bring it out. Okay, and stay for some time and breathe. When you feel that your muscles are get fatigue, then just close your mouth and relax. So when I do, you can at least for a few seconds you maintain this, and if you feel that the muscles of the neck are getting spasm, then you just relax and repeat. Repeat this asana for 20 to 50 times. Yeah, it is very easy. It's very light. You can close your eyes and do it. And after opening the mouth, you should breathe through the mouth. Okay, inhale and exhalation through the mouth. So 20 to 50 breaths. This asana will help to increase the blood circulation and decrease the sensibility of our inner throat. And the next yogic technique, it's a small meditation for 5 minutes. You just, when you have to sit in any comfortable posture and observe your breath here in the throat. It is at the level of energy. We are correcting the any disbalance in the energy system in this chakra. Sitting and observing our breathing here. How I breathe, how I exhale, how I inhale. I just observe in the throat. When we breathe, air enters our nose, throat, windpipe, and lungs. So this, anyhow it will travel. The travel of the air is like this. Just we have to aware of this, how the air goes inside from here, like this, and when it comes out, how it passes through the throat and come out. Okay, so just focus here and get aware of your breath here. So for 5 minutes, maintain this meditation. Of course, if you have time, you can prolong it to 20 minutes. It will give good, because through meditation, we are controlling our mind, and from the brain, we are approaching our this upper respiratory tract for this bronchial asthma. So these are the 3 techniques. They will really helps very much, and people can, if you are on medication, you can really slowly remove the medications slowly and feel completely healthy. Thank you very much. Hari Om.